Hello and welcome. My name is Alex Kim, and my company's name is 32Soft. Today we're going to talk about production planning, how to make it more effective. And first, let's talk about who is 32Soft. We've been helping manufacturing companies since 2001. We're based in Toronto, Canada. We have presence in the United States, Europe, and we're opening office here in Nha Trang, Vietnam. We have many case studies showing that our software saves thousands of labor hours, materials, and the dollars. We also offer free software trials. If you talk to our customers, here is what they will say. 32Soft is a reliable partner. The quick return on investment and their support services are excellent. We are a results-oriented company because we don't get paid unless you're happy. Our goal is to be your reliable partner for the long term. We make customers happy and they refer others to us. Let's talk about production planning. As you may know, every company has to have a production plan, a list of orders in priority, parts, quantities, and dates. Your production plan has to be viable and 100% achievable. We have to have the right resources available at the right time. Because if we don't, we won't be able to ship orders in time and we will let our customers down. If your company's goal is to be profitable, reliable, efficient for the long term, then you need to understand that the way you plan and execute production directly affects the company's performance, your customer satisfaction, your cost, and your profit. Skillful production planning is very critical. From the other hand, poor production planning will cause waste in different forms. Inefficient use of machines, labor workers, and materials. The waste will increase costs, lower margins, lower profits, and you will miss on-time shipments and upset your customers. Our software is called Production Planner. It helps you to build 100% achievable plans. You can adjust your plans quickly and easily with any change of your customer orders. It helps you to ship products on time every time, and it will improve your company's reputation. Production Planner can be integrated to your ERP system, or you can use it as is. Production Planner requires the following data to perform calculations: item master, BOMs, supply, planning parameters, work orders, inventory, routings, calendar, and demand. There are 4 distinct ways to input data into Production Planner. You can use copy-paste method, use keyboard, you can import the data, or you can integrate the Production Planner to your ERP system. Because it's based on Microsoft Excel, it's easy and convenient to maintain the data. You can download, add new, change, delete, and upload. To build a schedule, we download existing work orders to the template. Then we run materials and capacity checks. The program calculates whether the schedule is doable or indicates shortages, like in this case. Then you can make changes to orders by changing priorities, quantities, dates, place orders on hold, and then you run the checks again to make sure you have the resources, all the resources you need available. Production Planner also generates detailed material shortage report, which you can use as your purchase plan. It also generates detailed capacity report, which helps you to understand how capacity is used. Graphical view helps you to visualize the schedule, which you can print off and give to your workers. The production planner allows you to maintain master data, track orders, build 100% achievable schedule, and generate purchase plan for materials. Users will love to use Microsoft Excel interface. Centralized database will allow many people to work with Production Planner at the same time. You can integrate Production Planner with ERP system, or you can use it as is. Production Planner benefits: you build 100% achievable plans, complete orders in time every time, increase profits, and become reliable vendor for your customers. Reliability means greater profit. We offer complimentary software trial, and if you would like to have more detailed conversation with your team and us showing you Production Planner in action, please have our contact information on the screen and give us a call, send us email, visit our website. We'll be happy to hear from you.